9 days after the Hinyu-Trep Youth Council Ribhoi district visited Resource Rubber Private Limited, its leaders were summoned at Khanapara police station yesterday. In a statement to the media, HYC Ribhoi President Hercules Suting explained that the summons were issued following their attempt to collect papers from the Resource Rubber Private Limited. 6 cases related to the incident have been registered at Khanapara police station, including charges from an earlier attempt to obtain a trading license at Mausmai.
Ngi kum kaseng hi ngi klamdon kano ka jing musleu henrei kadon kata ka mesim ka basokya namar ba kumno u mender uyo ban hayi lailan apo ka brih nyo trep ngi klamda don yaki trading license te kadai halor kata ngrem nagalyang ju kaseng kalalej ban kli ban berteu na tu try jong kata factory henrei pose pat kendit ba kumboyo trongsen kumba pila sakim takasni ngiyo penban da kata ka jingkot hadir ane ban pa dak taki jingtho sangi ba ngila sya pangat adu drutuli ki section yang gi noilam jong kaseng.
The social and economic life